ndo taicio
tole waigwa tondu wakorwo at a very long timing ari mwacio I hope makorwo wanene muno thiini wa ministry tondu
ngai mwega wimbo waita
kindu gietagwo timetable
kirathi no nginya kigie kurio na timetable
yes
tondu yo ni ikiri ni kiongozo
ndio muongozo haswa ashire ni ore ya determine activities ya kirathi na cia cukuru
hiyo na ngengere ilikuwa hivi
timetable hana le transmission log ino itu oyandikitwo haria hena mohoro oguo na yandikwo ni class teacher yes ekaga ya nio
o mwahingura tamu
yes
class teacher agithondeka timetable
ndio na ni arora gwo subject iria itendetwo cikajia rucine hakiri
itana tukana ithogothane
mwase mwangari tari iraingira mileage so hakira yaingira mileage mathomo me ukuritoira riu no akoraga ici humanities na linguistics languages history geography GKC githungu icio ni cia twara riu mathaa matha inyanya ni naku tondu ni tumaundu twina karugano gathaka no riu githabu mwanjaragia nakio every Monday lesson ya mbere yakoragwo ithabu double double mathematics Tuesday mugacoka mukaigirerwo betheki okone secondary betheki akemu kiromanire in that order niguo ka Wednesday niguo mukwanjere uko guthufanirio timetable kahora na kindu ta pastoral na pastoral ni hari muinaga na kuhoya yes in Christian schools
na class teacher agagiuka kirora kana kirathi no muikaire wega kamenya no utari kuo agire guka niki such things
na pastoral no mostly ya haivagirwo mathaa mayo bere ya lesson ici ingi ciothe
muthenya wa pastoral no yakoragwo first lesson in the morning
na yakorwo bere tiate ne kuria lesson ici ingi na ha break haga cindu kaliko break short break long break lunch ni yako very profound
and bold
ono kiro timetable kitu kia mbere ona ni lunch we go ginya home time now being the maxim of the law ni akirumagirwo muno no there are some few teachers muno ya makona to biashara miena ni mara mo kavasira bus wakora okoro ni mwalimu wake na niraona hena PE hau mbere iyo motika methie
akamufozi kufuago PE
Tira gia PE nitira aramwira horo wa protons that have mass where mass area o ne mitha
akiria kura huro okay waja
tabo doki wali hiyo sabe thoma did you know protons have mass akiwa I did not even know they were Catholic
oye de play right
hiyo kana ngora riri naga take advantage taru ne tha inyanya twina so cia tha inyanya we ni cia na gatoro
ndi mwakiuma kuria
especially aria mathire cukuru iria cia hunago
cukuru cia hunago
mehe citahuna
ingi cia survival
yes it was just make do oya gutigira nduku ngauka cukuru iria hunago ri lesson cia tha inyanya ni cia ikaragira andu
muno
rimwe ni wathikairia mwalimu ukaigua taira rabai muno ni mwale matari na tone variation ne kwani mumai na tone variation kama mwalimu atofundagia history tagwo Mr. Anthony Keigo akikwira the Portuguese conquest of East Africa started with the migration from the coast and then Vasco da Gama was sent, Pedro Alvarez Cabral and Francisco de Almeida no ndera guthura hakiri ciako
are we together
no ni na moka makwira The Avogadro's principle states that objects that react to reagents and the ocean get the ocean. I talk to I had talked to your Swahili teacher. He has said we can proceed. So we'll have triple chemistry. Can you shut up? Shut up. Take out your exercise books. Write these formulas. What are the NaOH? Yeah, the sodium chloride. Fair the iron. Fe. CO2. Na sema mtoto anasema hii hadi CO2 ine kaikoroka na OH. Mwanzo kama kaigata iteration. Hadi mwanzo maga kwera maodo you get nothing.
Ono gyoria rucio ogiwa ndoro aigwa indo ta icio
tole waigwa tondu wakorwo at a very long timing. Hadi mwanzo I hope makoro wanene muno thiini wa ministry tondu wali bwa mathabu oke tha inyanya auge ni adonetirwo lesson ciothe ona mwamena mwalimu ucio muhire lesson icio muno ende kiru ya mathabu riu githabu na ndio niguo murathoma mathabu ma course track and navigation
coke auga ni anyitithanio guo na ni murahetwo ka homework na we tondu maithiragia ri nduneka
bas chinda inanguka hapo ndio niguo mwero horo wa cosine na tan theta we hakiri cia kwira hora githeri utigire kia igiriro ni uguthi and there was another caliber of despot teacher. My na impunity ya kirokia iguru ate bureki ni kumurira ndaika cia nyu 20
simunada kuruka tu
naenda kuruka na kuwa na hata hakuna jua ya kuota. Can you continue writing?
Dakika sini 10 unaenda msalani unarudi.
Na alimu azione tia itaige mandika bodi ne dictation. No moja wakerithia ne baba joru. Write this. Newton's law of motion stipulates that an object once in motion shall remain so until acted on by a force. Well, ulikuwa umelala kopi kwa mwenzako. Furthermore, ni mweho meo mako na kamugabo. Tegwa ya literature. Akaka was born in the land of the great chief of Imbo. The two was celebrated heavily by the community, being born as the first daughter of the great chief, and they called her the girl with the nyavi.
You see, the good thing that literature yes. Agia muthomire oguo ona ni mwaboeka kana ni mwanyitwo ndi gucungirira ri ariega ri ni akoithagia karwimbo
one
akamba ka break the monotony
yes rĩu to ena mwalimu wa chemistry weto Mr. Muriuki ni afunditha okay Mr. Muriuki was very good no no ni ale muthomu muno no andu aya thomu muno matiko excited Leu ni akiraga oguo ahetwo lesson ta ithatu akona ni mucunga cungira kauga I think what is sound do let us proceed to the laboratory and finish there. No le watu wa lab ni mwagia na muamuko mpya
wale mwaba kunogora misuri
yes ni mwaba mwauma
na bwa huya fresher
ndio hivi kai kindu twa heo mathaa mau ni rubau ni tweka woodwork yes
okay
nyanda twalete project ya woodwork ginya provincial ya science congress Muranga centro
uwale na mono magwatwika
never mind daka kindu ngendia non tweka rubau ndari na kare rubau ndari na kare
okire budi
mortise and tenon dovetail joints I'm telling you Walimu ma frustrator na kweme ukithagia mathira me timetable mwanugu nane niguo aroraka gwa is 4B not this one ukahura rohe muno
kana oka agwa dibarezo yake no tondu ndio kire ri. What do you have?
Teacher is English,
but your teacher is not in.
Your teacher is not in. We shall proceed. Can we look at the mitochondrion? Everybody say mitochondrion.
Mitochondrion.
Thank you. We shall look at cellular division and the molecules that form a cell. And then we shall also explore a little into the lymphatic system, the circulatory system, pulmonary arteries. We are also going to look at the left ventricle and right auricle of the heart.
No, you are the most abused weapons.
Corona ndo magithaka kuria aja na maketo kithia au design cianyu mamuoni uria muikareirwo ne system
eva yaja na foto
We post similar videos just like the one you have just watched every week. Consider subscribing to never miss out.